Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and I have a blast from the past for you today. This is Milwaukee's new rendition of a very old style of wire stripper. In fact, these are similar to the very first pair of wire strippers I ever used. This one features one-handed wire stripping for 8 to 20 AWG solid and 10 to 22 AWG stranded wire. It strips up to 1 inch of insulation off in a single squeeze. The bottom numbers on the stripper are for gauges of solid wire. The top numbers are for gauges of stranded wire. It works by this portion of the tool grabbing the wire to be stripped, and then the numbered portion with the cutters then pulls off the insulation off of the wire. And it does a very neat and precise job. It also has a wire cutter, which you'll find right in the middle of the tool. Here I'm stripping 12 gauge solid wire. Here I'm stripping 14 gauge solid wire. And here I'm stripping 18 gauge solid wire. If you're interested in picking yourself up a pair of automatic wire strippers, they'll run you about $30. And they do come with a limited lifetime warranty. I'll put a link in my video description. Thanks, and happy wiring!